Welcome to our guided mindfulness meditation session. Let's find a peaceful seated position, whether on a cushion, a chair, or the floor. Keep your back and neck straight, but relaxed. If you're wearing glasses, please remove them now. Close your eyes gently and take a moment to settle into your space. With your eyes closed, begin to focus your attention to the natural rhythm of your breath. Feel the air as it comes in through your nose. Remain aware whether it is passing through the left nostril or your right nostril or both the nostrils. Just remain aware. Observe the breath coming in and going out. Focusing on your breath might be a new concept, and that's perfectly okay. Simply try to feel the sensation of air moving in and out of your nostrils. This is not a breathing exercise, so do not try to change it or control it. Just observe it. Deep or shallow, fast or slow, be aware of your breath as it is. Feel it flowing naturally, effortlessly. Do not try to change how it happens. Just let it be and notice it. This breathing is what keeps you connected to the present moment. It's natural for the mind to wander, to drift to thoughts, plans, or memories. If this happens, then gently, without judgment, guide your focus back to your breath. Now, settle deeper into the practice. Let your awareness rest at the entrance of your nostrils, feeling each breath's touch as it enters and exits. The wandering mind is a part of the journey. Inhale and exhale, your natural rhythm that requires no effort, only awareness. Now bring your attention to the entrance of your nostrils. Feel the touch of air as you breathe in and out. Remember that the purpose of this meditation is to cultivate mindfulness and awareness in the present moment. Trust the process and allow yourself to be fully present with each breath. If you find your mind too restless, take a moment to take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Do this a few times. In these next few minutes, Continue to observe your natural breath as it comes in and goes out. As we near the end of this meditation session, take a moment to express gratitude for this opportunity to cultivate mindfulness and compassion. Gently begin to deepen your breath. Bring gentle movement back into your body, moving your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying with you the calm and awareness cultivated during this practice. Thank you for dedicating this time to your well-being through mindfulness meditation. With regular practice, your mind will find peace, your concentration will sharpen, and your awareness will expand. Remember, each day is a new opportunity to practice, to grow, and to find peace in the present moment. We embarked on this journey with a short session today. Practice daily and slowly extend your practice by 5 minutes every week, aiming for an hour of mindful breathing.